Iman, who's not able to be with us here. He's 25 and have a daughter, India. She's 30. This is our second trip. My wife, my son, and myself, we came in 2014. And when I first came, it was so amazing. I couldn't take it all in. So I decided I would come back, and really honored to have my cousin Ray and my brother Ken to join us. Really happy to share this experience with you all. A little bit about myself before I turn the mic over to the other people in my family. As I said, I live in Seattle, Washington. I'm the director of environmental justice for and service equity for the City of Seattle. City of Seattle has an initiative called the Race and Social Justice Initiative, and essentially what it is a commitment. It's a realization in the City of Seattle that it is a racist institution, and my job is to help the City of Seattle and Seattle Public Utilities, where I work, undo institutional racism. So this is a really healing journey for me. This is an opportunity for me to clarify why I do what it is I do, not just for my family, but for everyone on this bus and for people in my community. So thank you very much.
And the rest of the family, as you please, especially the Queen. Absolutely. You say whatever you want to say, son.
My name is Aize Davis. My name is Aize Davis. I'm from Seattle. I go to Mercer Middle School, 13, and play basketball. It's my second time here.
In Ghana?
Yeah, in Ghana on this tour.
So when did you come before? With your dad?
Yeah.
And your mom?
Yeah.
So this is your second time around her?
Yeah.
So already, what is it this second time that you have to offer? Because you're not a first timer. What is it that you can say now that you wasn't aware of then? It seems like you know your way around a little bit. You made a friend too.
Well, just enjoy yourself and like maybe come again.
Yeah.
Probably come again. Yeah, just enjoy yourself and embrace everything.
Yeah, I love
realize
that.
You're here. How fun it is.
Yeah. So great. So great. Let's acknowledge our young brother.
Hi, everybody. Hi. My name's Tracy Patterson, and I am married to Michael and mom of Aize. I work at the Port of Seattle, and my role there is to manage employee development programs and diversity and inclusion programs. And I'm proud to say that we're embarking on an anti-racism journey as well. So I like leadership. In fact, I like to say that my family has been about leadership and service for many generations. Whether it was being a part of the Great Migration and choosing to go for places where they could be all that they could be, leaving the South when it felt too restricted, leaving the Midwest for the West to make more possibilities available to their children. So we find ourselves now in Seattle, and I work at the port, but I also volunteer with a lot of community leadership programs, serving young people as well as adults. So being here is very much about that. It's about connecting to the larger world that we're a part of. That's one of the reasons why it's so important to have a young person like Aize here. In the States, we learn so little about the power of these kinds of connections with people. So I guess I am just happy to be here and enjoying the trip. I'm all about positivity, and the can be about the world, possibilities. So thanks.
And she knows who and what they're raising, and it's just not a child, it's consciousness. And racial justice issues in Seattle, Washington, in a family, generationally, yeah, that's what's up. Let's give our family another round of applause. Thank you very much. And the rest of the family who are part of the West Coast, say Seattle, Washington, please, I don't want to call your name. I want your order to be, he gonna call the names.
Brother Ray, and then Brother Ken. Can you come on through and introduce yourself to everybody? Wow.
Yeah.
I want to know if we can volunteer to do morning exercise the rest of the journey. Like your workout person.
Can you hear me? I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I'm traveling with the Davis family. My name is Ray Harris, and me and Michael are first cousins. Well, no, second or third. We come from a big family. Such a big family that when we were younger, me, Mike, and Ken really didn't hang out. But in 2003, my mother passed away from cancer, and Michael and her were very close. And Mike helped me through the healing process, and ever since that, we've been very close. And I'm very appreciative from him bringing me on this journey, and I think it's going to make us even closer. So I'll leave it at that.
That's great. Thank you for your generosity.
Brother to Michael and all the rest, as you know. I think this has been a lifelong dream for me, just to come to Africa, because it's such an important journey for all of us as African Americans to actually get to see the motherland and actually explore and experience life here, because you see the struggle every day when we look out on the street, and we see the struggles we have in America. But it's important for us to understand that each day we have to appreciate what we have, and each day we have to support each other in the struggles that we each have. And just kind of, I think this is a great opportunity for all of us to gain and give in so many different ways. Thank you.
Thank you so much.